Good evening friends, welcome to SSC Online. Today we will continue with trigonometry part where we have stopped in the previous session. So here let's have a look at the questions that were asked in previous SSC CGL prelims examinations based on this trigonometry part. Now let's have a look at. So here they are asking you to find the value of sine square 60 degrees, cos square 45 degrees plus tan square 60, 2 tan square 60 degrees minus cosecant square 30 degrees. So for you to solve this one, first you have to be aware of the values of the fundamental angles that you have to know. So what are the basic trigonometric angles you must be aware of, so that if you know the values related to these basic angles, solving the problem will become easy. Now let's have a look at one simple table before solving this one. Right. So what are the basic angles that you must know as far as this trigonometry part is concerned? 1. Sine of sine, cos, tan, secant, and tan. Cosecant, secant, tan. Right. Now let's have a look at. Let me take cot first. After tan, let us take cot, cosecant, then secant. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios that you have to be aware of. The basic angles that you should know are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. These are the basic angles whose values you must know. Right. So sine 0 will be what? Let's have a look at. Sine 0 is 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. This is 1. This you have to mandatorily remember. Right. Based on sine, you can get cos. So once you write this one, reverse of that will be cos. It will be 1. This will be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 0. Next, how do we get tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So tan 0 equal to sin 0 by cos 0. So 0 by 1, it will be 0. Next, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 will give you 1 by root 3. Similarly, this by this will give you how much? 1. This one will be root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. That will give you root 3. So 1 by 0 is undefined. So any number by 0 is undefined. Now going ahead with cot. Cot will be complementary of tan. So once you get tan, so opposite of that will give you cot. You simply go ahead now. So here this will be undefined. This will be root 3. Cot 45 will be 1. Cot 60 will be equal to tan 30. So that is 1 by root 3. So this will be 0. Now going ahead with cosecant theta. If you want cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Hence I can say that I know sine, so 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin 0. So 1 by sin 0 will be cosecant 0. So 1 by 0 will be what? Undefined. Right? Similarly, 1 by 2 will give you 2. 1 by root 2 will give you root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 will give you 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 will give you 1. So secant will be complementary of cosecant. So once you get cosecant, secant will be just reverse of that. It will give you secant 0 will be 1. So this will be 2 by root 3. Secant 45 will be root 2. Secant 60 will be cosecant 30. So this will be undefined. So secant 90 is equal to cosecant 0 we can say. Right? This is the basic list that you must be aware of in order to face the problems that are given in trigonometry part. Right? Let us now go ahead with the problem that is being asked in SSC CGL. This is a question that was asked in previous SSC CGL prelims examination. They are asking you for the value of sin square 60 cos square 45 plus 2 tan square 60 minus cosecant square 30 degrees is equal to. You simply have to substitute the values related to these angles. So sin 60, just now we have seen, sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. Next, cos square 45, cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2, cos square 45 means 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 2 into tan 60 is nothing but root 3 whole square, minus cosecant square 30. Cosecant 30, if you remember it is fine. If you don't remember, you can still manage. How can I get cosecant 30? Cosecant 30 equal to 1 by sin 30. We know that sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 will be 1 by 1 by 2. So that will give you 2. So it will be 2 square, 2 square. Now simply go for calculation over here. So just substitute the values, put the values and go for the calculation further. Now going ahead with root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 3 by 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 2 into root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. So 2 into 3 minus 2 square is nothing but 4. On further simplification, it will give you how much? So this gives you 3 by 8, 3 by 8 plus 6 minus 4. Will give you how much, dear? So 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So this will give you 3 by 8 plus 2. 3 by 8 plus 2. Now going ahead with. So 3 by 8 plus 2 on simplification, it will give you what? 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. So answer will be 19 by 8, 19 by 8. Look at the option. Which option is having 19 by 8 here? Option C, right? So whenever you are going for solving this type of problems, in every sitting that has happened in the previous SSC CGL prelims exam, in every sitting they have given at least one question of this kind in the exam. This is a very simple one. The basic things, if you know, you can easily crack this one. So whenever you are solving the questions here, the only thing that you have to be aware of is what? The list of standard angles and the values related to them you should be aware of. Right, dear? Next, let's go ahead with the next one. Please make a note of this table. Right? This is a must. So any doubt in this part till here? Any doubt, you please leave a message. Any doubt, you can please leave a message. Otherwise, I'll just move on to the next problem. Yeah, good evening here. Then, no doubt. Sure. Let me go ahead with the next problem. Right. Please try this one. This is also same as the previous one. They have given the values related to standard angles only. This is also previous SSC CGL Tier 1 problem. Find the value of tan square 30 by secant square 30 plus cosecant square 45 by cot square 45 minus secant square 60 by cosecant square 60. Right? Now, going ahead with here. So in this case, what best can be done? Let us have a look at. So here, tan square 30 can be written as tan square 30, just let me write it as it is, tan square 30 into 1 by secant square 30 is nothing but cos square 30, cos square 30 plus this one, cosecant square 45 by cot square 45. Cosecant square 45 by cot square 45. So cosecant square 45 by cot square 45 what? Cot square 45 is nothing but 1 by cot square 45 can be written as tan square 45. So this will be cosecant square 45. Cosecant square 45 into tan square 45. Tan square 45 plus that is minus, no? Right. Minus, right, secant square 60 by cosecant square 60. Secant square 60 is nothing but, let me put it as it is, secant square 60 into 1 by cosecant square 60. 1 by cosecant is nothing but sine. So that is sine square 60. Right. Now I just have converted these divisions into multiplication so that it will be easy for you to handle. You can simplify them further, like tan square 30 can be written as sin square 30 by cos square 30. So cos square 30 gets cancelled. This will become what? Sin square 30 after simplification plus this will be cosecant square 45 into tan square 45. Cosecant square 45 is nothing but 1 by sin square 45. Tan square 45 is nothing but sin square 45 by cos square 45. So sin square 45 gets cancelled over here. So you will be left with what here? 1 by cos square 45. Right? I repeat, cosecant square 45 is nothing but 1 by sin square 45 into this is sin square 45 by cos square 45. Sin square gets cancelled. I am left with 1 by cos square 45. That 1 by cos square 45 can be written as, if you want, you can directly write it as what? Secant square 45. Right? Secant square 45. Next, minus. This will give you what? Secant square 60 is nothing but 1 by cos square 60. So secant is nothing but 1 by cos. So sin square 60 by cos square 60, that will become what? Tan square 60. Tan square 60. So this is what you can do. Now you can substitute the values. Right? So here the point of observation is, some people were saying, sir, why should I convert all these things? Instead I'll directly substitute. Yes, you can do that. There is no harm in that. Because they are the direct values that are given over there. You can directly substitute the values related to that. Then go for simplification. There is no harm in that. But if you are applying this step, it becomes simpler for you to handle. That's why I am doing that. Otherwise, you directly substitute the values related to tan 30, secant 30, cosecant 45, cot 45 and all. Still you will get the answer. Now going ahead with the sin square 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So square of that, it will be 1 by 2 whole square. Plus secant 45. Secant 45 is root 2. Root 2 whole square. Minus tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So that will be root 3 whole square. This gives you how much, dear? 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. Plus root 2 whole square is nothing but 2. Minus root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. So this gives you how much, dear? So this gives you 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 is nothing but minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Hence your answer has to be minus 3 by 4. Right? So please correct this one here. So your answer has to be option B, and there it should be minus. There is a typing error over here. Just correct that one. Right? If you have any doubt, let's go for it again. So if you want to do it without doing all this, say suppose if you are willing to go for this one. I don't want to do that simplification, sir. I want to directly put the values. That also can be done. Tan 30 is nothing but what? I am showing that method also. 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square by secant 30 is nothing but what? Secant 30 is nothing but 1 by cos 30. Na? Cos 30 is nothing but, we know that cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. Plus this will give you cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 will be how much? Sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 will be root 2. So root 2 whole square by cot 45. Cot 45 is nothing but 1 minus secant square 60. secant square 60. Secant 60 is nothing but 1 by sin 60, 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 is nothing but simply 2. It is 2 square by cosecant 60. Cosecant square 60. Cosecant 60 is nothing but 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 will be 2 by root 3 whole square. Now go ahead. So this will give you how much to you? This gives you 1 by 3, this gives you 4 by 3. So you will be left with what? 3 gets cancelled. You are left with what? 1 by 4 plus root 2 whole square is nothing but 2 minus, this will be what? 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 by 4 by 3. So 4 gets cancelled. So 4 by 3 comes to the numerator. That will be minus 3. This gives you how much, dear? 1 by 4 minus 1. That will give you how much? Minus 3 by 4. This is another way of looking at it. So however, the answer will remain same. Right? So there is a small correction over here. This one is not 5 by 4, that is minus 3 by 4. Please correct that one. Right? Please make a note of it. And if there is any doubt, you please tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt? No? Yeah, please do respond so that I can understand. Can I move on to the next problem? Chalo. Next one. Right here. Here there is another concept that you need to understand. Right? So what is that? The value of tan 13, tan 36, tan 45, tan 54, tan 77 by 2 secant square 60 into sin square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 plus 2. Sorry, 3 cos 60 plus 2. Right here. Now here, we have already learnt in the previous session that if x plus y equal to 90, if x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, if x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, if x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, I told you sin x will be equal to cos y, right? Similarly, tan x will be equal to cot y. Similarly, cosecant x equal to secant y. This is one. Another thing, if x plus y equal to 90 degrees, we also know that tan x into tan y equal to 1, and cot x into cot y equal to 1, and we also have learned sin square x plus sin square y equal to 1. Next, cos square x plus cos square y is also equal to 1. These are the things we have learned when x plus y equal to 90 degrees. These are the results that you must mandatorily know in order to handle the problems. So this is another thing, this is another one. Right? This is one. So all these things are true when x plus y together is equal to, if x plus y together is equal to 90 degrees, all these are valid. Right? Please go through that and tell me if there is any doubt. Any doubt? No? Chalo. Going ahead with the next problem. Chalo. Now observe it. So based on the basics just now I have given, I can easily handle this one. Right here? So they are asking you for tan 13 into tan 36 into tan 45 into tan 54 into tan 77 by 2 secant square 60 into sin square 60 minus 3 into cos 60 plus 2. That's what they are asking you for. Chalo dear. Going ahead with, we know that tan 13 and tan 77 together will become 1 because here x, y together are adding up to 90 degrees. That's why tan x into tan y will be 1. So tan 13 into tan 77 will be 1. Similarly, tan 36 into tan 54 will also be 1. We know that tan 45 itself is 1 again. Tan 45 we are left with the value of tan 45 will be 1 by 2 secant square 60, 2 into secant square 60. What is secant square 60? Secant 60 is nothing but 1 by cos 60. We know that cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 will be 2. So that will be 2 square into sin square 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right here? This is the one. Now go ahead. So this will give you what? This is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 square, that is 2 into 4, that will be 8. 8 into root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right dear? Now going ahead with the simplification here. So 1 by, now if you go for taking the LCM here inside, that gives you what? LCM is 4 over. So 4, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 plus 8. This will give you how much dear? 1 by, this will be how much? 3 plus 8, 11, 11 minus 6, 5. So that will give you 8 into 5 by 4. That will give you 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Means your answer has to be 1 by 10. Hence it should be option A. So here also two concepts have been clubbed. One, when x plus y together is equal to 90 degrees, tan x into tan y equal to 1. That is one idea. Second, you just have to substitute the values related to these standard angles. You may get a doubt, sir, why are you taking tan 13 into tan 77 equal to 1? Instead, why are you not finding the value of tan 13 degrees? Generally tan 13 degrees, tan 17 degrees, these angles we generally don't learn. So whenever some unrelated angles are coming, they will be given based on the properties related to the trigonometry part there. So they are not expecting you to find what is tan 13 there, what is tan 77 there. They are just testing whether you are aware of that property. What is the property? When x plus y together is adding up to 90 degrees, do you know that tan x into tan y will become 1 or not? That's what they are trying to test. Getting it? So when some standard angles are given, yes, substitute the values related to that. There is no doubt about that. When you are coming across a set of angles which are not in that list of standard angles I have given, you have to go for some other logic, like some other properties related to trigonometry. Is that clear? Everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt for anyone? Any doubt? No response? Okay. I'm moving on to the next one. Please try this one, dear. Please try this. What is given there? You just observe that. The value of 4 sin power 4 30 degrees plus cos power 4 30 degrees minus 3 into sin square 45 minus 2 cos square 45 is. So here all the angles that are mentioned, are standard angles that we have learnt. So we can directly go for substituting the values related to that angles. So we know that sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So here I can write this as 4 into Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 3 into sin 45. So 1 by root 2 square 2 into cos 45. Cos 45 will also be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. Right? Now go ahead, dear. So this gives you how much? 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 is nothing but 1 by 16. 1 by 16 plus root 3 whole power 4 is nothing but 9. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. Right? Minus 3 into 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. You will be left with 1 over there. And further simplification, this gives you how much? So here, this gives you 4 into 10 by 16. 4 into 10 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1. That will give you how much? Minus 1 by 2. This gives you how much, dear? Minus into minus is plus. So here it gets cancelled. So 4 4s are. So 10 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus minus into minus is plus. So this gives you minus into minus is plus 3 into 1 by 2. That gives you 3 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to what? 8 by 2. Gives you how much? 4. Hence your answer should be 4. So which option? That is option D. Right? Is that clear? Pranab Ranjan, this is 4, right? That is correct. Prashant Nikam, good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening, dear. Right. Only one person has solved. Come on, keep trying. Don't wait for my answer. The moment I display the question, keep solving it. Right, dear? Going ahead with the next. Please try this one. Here also, see, before solving, you just look at whether the standard angles are given or other set of angles are given or the questions are related to any other set of properties. Right? Chalo. If you check, everywhere they have given standard angles only. You just have to substitute the values related to that. That is sufficient. Right? Please try it. Take 30 seconds time. Please try and just please respond. Right? Please share your response so that I can understand like whether you are getting it right or wrong. Right? Any response? Right? Chalo, let me start solving it. The value of 2 sine square 30 tan 60. So 2 into, I'll directly write the values, dear. Sine square 30. We know that sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine square 30 is nothing but 1 by 4. Into tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. 3 into cos square 60. Cos 60 is nothing but root, cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. Into secant 30. Secant 30 is nothing but 1 by, so here secant 30 is nothing but 1 by cos 30. We know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square will give you 4 by 3. 4 by 3 by 4 cos square 45. 4 cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 whole square will be what? 1 by 2 minus secant square 60. secant square 60. Secant 60 is nothing but 2. 2 square, it will be 4, plus sine square 60. We know that sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Square of that will be 3 by 4, plus cos square 90. Cos 90 is nothing but 0. 0 square is nothing but 0 only. Going ahead further. So here, this gives you what? 2 2s are. So I am left with root 3 by 2 here. Minus. Here, 4 4 gets cancelled. 3 3 gets cancelled. I am left with 1. Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by. So here, 2 2s are 4. Right? So here it will be 3 by 4 only. So this will be 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 plus 3 by 4. So this gives you minus 2 plus 3 by 4 means this gives you how much, dear? Minus 2. See, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 by 4 will give you minus 8 plus 3. That will give you minus 5 by 4. That gives you how much? Right? Look at the options over here. So options given over here are what? Root 3. They just have simplified further here. Now going ahead with. So root 3 by 2 minus 1. So that gives you how much, dear? Root 3 minus 2 by 2 by 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. So when minus 5 by 4 comes to the numerator, that will become what? Minus 5 by 4 comes to the numerator. Will become into minus 4 by 5. Right? So here 2 2 gets cancelled. 2 2 gets cancelled. That will give you how much? Minus 2 into 3 will give you minus 2 root 3 plus 4. So 2 into minus 2 into root 3 minus 2 by 5. So if you have anything like that, you just take it, or otherwise we will go for further simplification here. So 2 is kept outside here. 2 into root 3 plus 2. So they just have sent minus inside, but here we will be getting minus 3. Minus root 3. So that is not there. Here also it is not there. So let us try to send this minus inside. This will give you what? 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 5. So here it should be 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 5. Right? So there is a mistake in the options given here. Just correct that one. So option, take it as this. Right now. Any doubt here? Please tell me. Any doubt? Want me to do it again? Okay, we'll do that. What is the doubt? See, I'll just repeat this. 2 sine square 30. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine square 30 is nothing but 1 by 4. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So here 2 2 is getting cancelled. I am left with root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. That's what I have written. Minus 3 into cos square 60. We know that cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Cos square 60 means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. Into secant square 30. Secant square 30 is nothing but what? Secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Secant square 30 will be 4 by 3. Similarly, 4 cos square 45. So 4 into cos 45. Cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Square of that is 1 by 2. So I just have kept 1 by 2. Minus secant 60 is nothing but 2. 2 square is 4. Plus sin square 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Square of that will be 3 by 4. That's what I have written. Plus cos 90 is nothing but 0. Just went ahead with the simplification here. 2 2 is getting cancelled. So 2 2s are 4. So root 3 by 2 I have written. So here 3 3 is getting cancelled and 4 4 is getting cancelled. I am left with what? I am left with only 1 here. That's why I have written it as minus 1. By here 2 2s are 4. So I am left with 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 by 4. On simplification, that will give you minus 8 plus 3 by 4. That will give you minus 5 by 4. On further simplification, it will be giving you 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 5. Right? Is that clear, dear? Can I move on? Okay. Next. Can you please try this one on your own? This is a very simple one now. 8 sin square 30, sin square 60, minus 4 sin 90, minus secant square 45, tan square 45, cot square 30. So all are standard angles only. Please do try this on your own. Right? I'm moving on to the next one. Here also. What are they giving? Tan square 30 plus sin square 90. So this is a standard angle. This is also a standard angle. All given angles here are standard angles only. You just go for putting the value and get the answer. But here, one application you can take into consideration here. One simple thing that you can observe. So here you are having sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B represents what? Sin A minus B. Right. So you can apply that formula and you can get it, or otherwise if you are not comfortable, you can just simply put the values over here and you can move on. Right. Next. The value of 3 by 4 cot square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 minus 3 cosecant square 60 plus tan square 60. This one is also what? All are standard angles only. So I am not going for that. So can you do this on your own? Everyone? Can you do that, or do you want me to take up that one? Please check and tell me. If you want, I will take up, or otherwise I will move on to the next one. This is same model dear. As it is same model I am asking you to do. Clear? Okay. Next one. This I will go for. So till now they have given you the angles. We were just substituting the values related to the angles and we were going for simplification. Wherein in the next one they did not give you the angle that you need to find. So they said sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A equal to 1 by 2. So when will the sine of an angle becomes 1 by 2? Just check that. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2. That happens when it is 30 degrees. Hence I can say that A is nothing but how much angle? 30 degrees. Once you get the value of A, just substitute that angle over here and select, get the corresponding values and put it over there. It will give you the answer. Right, let me go ahead. So here A equal to 30. Hence I can say that tan A is nothing but tan 30. Tan 30 minus cot 30. Tan 30 minus cot 30 by root 3 into 1 plus cosecant 30. 1 plus cosecant 30. Right dear? This gives you how much? We know that tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 minus cot 30. Cot 30 is nothing but root 3 by root 3 into 1 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is nothing but 1 by sin 30. That will be 2. This gives you how much? Go for simplification here. That gives you how much dear? 1 by root 3 minus root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So that gives you 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 by root 3 by root 3 into 1 plus 2. That is 3 again. So 3 into root 3. You have 3 root 3 here. This gives you how much dear? That gives you how much here? Here it will be minus 2 by root 3 into, this will be 3 root 3 by 1. When it comes here, that will become 1 by 3 root 3. 1 by 3 root 3. That gives you how much dear? Minus 2 into 1 is nothing but minus 2 by, here root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 3 into 3 will give you how much? 9. Hence it will add up to how much? Minus 2 by 9. Hence your answer has to be what? Option A. Right? Please make a note of it. Any doubt in this one? Any doubt? Ramesh A, Rajshekhar minus 2 by 3. It's not minus 2 by 3. Rajshekhar, it is minus 2 by 9. Please check your calculation part. It's minus 2 by 9. No? That is option A. Right? Next one. This is also slightly different one. So here we have to go by right angle triangle by applying that rule of Pythagoras theorem. We can get the other side if needed, but here the advantage is that they have given all the three sides in the triangle. So we need not apply Pythagoras theorem also. Without that we can directly get. Now check out. So here there are three sides they have given, that is 20 centimeters, 21 centimeters and 29 centimeters. The longest side will be the hypotenuse. So AC will be the longest side here. So going ahead with AC, this is A, this I will take it as C, this is B. We know that in a triangle AB, so in triangle ABC, dear, here C is missing. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to 20, so AB is given as 20, BC is given as 21 and CA is given as 29. CA is given as 29. This is mentioned. Then they are asking you for what is the value of cot C cosecant C minus 2 tan A. Okay, cot C. For cot C, it will be what? For cot C, this is the angle, like this is the angle they are talking about, cot of angle C. Cot C is nothing but, for cot, it will be equal to what? We know that cot of an angle is equal to how much? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite. So cot C will be equal to adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is 21 by opposite is 20 plus cosecant C. Cosecant C is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side. So cosecant C will be hypotenuse by opposite side. That will give you how much? 29 by 20 minus 2 into tan A. Tan A. For this I want tan of the angle. So tan A. Tan A is equal to, for tan A, for A opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC. Adjacent is AB. So that's why it will be what? 21 by 20. It will be equal to how much, dear? 21 by 20 plus 29 by 20 minus 42 by 20. Don't cancel it here, because if you are keeping 20 as it is, so that you can easily get the LCM here, right? Chalo, so it is 20 as the LCM over. This will be how much, dear? 21 plus 29, 50. 50 minus 42, that will be 8. So that will be 8 by 20, that gives you 4 2s are 4 5s are. Hence your answer has to be what? 2 by 5. Hence it has to be option D, right? Please go through that. And if there is any doubt, you tell me, I'll clarify. Any doubt? Any doubt for anyone? No? Chalo, I'll move on to the next. See, this type of problems are common not only in SSC CGL, they are even important in RRB and TPC, that CBT 2 exam that is going to happen very soon, right? So for any exam, these models are very common. But I just have taken all the questions that were asked in Staff Selection Commission based exam in the previous year, right? Chalo, next one. This is another interesting one. Here also angle is not mentioned. Angle you need to identify. Then you have to move on for calculation. So how do we identify the angle over here? Check. It is given that 4 sine square 2x minus 10 equal to 3. So where 2x minus 10 is lying between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, that means that is an acute angle they are trying to say. Then find the value of sine power 4x minus 5. For you to know this one, first of all, you should know what is the value of x first. Then we can come to a decision. So let's try finding the value of x first. So from this I can say that send for this side, that gives you sine square 2x minus 10 sine square 2x minus 10 equal to 3 by 4. So from this I can say that sine 2x minus 10 sine 2x minus 10 equal to square root of 3 by 2. So when will you get sine of an angle as root 3 by 2? When it is sine 60 degrees. From this it is understood that 2x minus 1 is equal to what? This. So 2x minus 10. 2x minus 10 is equal to 60. 2x minus 10 is equal to 60. From this I can say that 2x is equal to 70. From this I can say that x is equal to what? 35 degrees. Our job is not yet done. We just have found out what is the value of x. Now put the value of x in the expression that is given here. That gives you how much dear? So if you are going for substituting the value of x over here, that becomes what? Let me go ahead. So that will be sine power 4, sine power 4. If I put x equal to 35 here, 35 minus 5 is 30. Sine power 4, 30 degrees plus cos power 4, 30 degrees by 1 minus 2. See, 2 sine square, 3x is nothing but put x equal to 35 here. 35 3 is a 105. 105 minus 15 is 90. So 1 minus 2 sine square 90, 2 sine square 90 into cos square 90. Right dear? Now going for the simplification here, it is very easy now. So here we know that sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole power 4 is nothing but 1 by 16 plus cos power 4 30. So cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole power 4 is nothing but 9 by 16 by, this is very simple here, 1 minus 2 sine square 90. Sine square 90. Sine 90 is nothing but 1. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. Cos square 90. Cos 90 is 0. That's why this entire thing at the bottom. So this will become 0. So 1 minus 0 will become 1. So entire value at the denominator will become 1. So leave it. Now what are you left with? 1 by 16 plus 9 by 16 will give you how much dear? 10 by 16. 10 by 16. 10 by 16 is nothing but what? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Hence your answer has to be 5 by 8. That is plus 5 by 8. Please be careful. We have two 5 by 8s here. One is positive, other one is negative. Your answer is plus 5 by 8. Is that clear? So first thing we did is we have identified the value of x. After that we just have substituted the value of x in the given expression to arrive at the answer. Is that clear? Everyone? Any doubt? 2 by 5? Which one is 2 by 5? Rajshekhar? That's 5 by 8, not. Please check the calculation part. Don't be in a hurry. Right? Chalo. Everyone clear? Chalo. Let's move on to the next one. Please try this. It is same as the previous one, but they have given compound angles over here. Cos A minus B, cot A plus B, where A minus B and A plus B are acute angles, then 2A minus 3B is equal to. First you identify what is A minus B equal to. A minus B is equal to which angle? Similarly A plus B equal to which angle? Then we can easily arrive at the value that is needed here. We know that they have given it is cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos A minus B equal to root 3 by 2, and we know that root 3 by 2 in cos it will be giving you when cos is 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees will give you root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees will give you root 3 by 2. Right? From this I can see that A minus B together equal to what? A minus B equal to 30 degrees. a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. This is what I can say. Cot a plus b equal to 1 by root 3. So cot a plus b equal to 1 by root 3. Cot a plus b equal to 1 by root 3. When will you get 1 by root 3 in cot? So in cot, 1 by root 3 we will get when it is cot 30. So it is cot, right, cot 60. No? So here tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, tan 30 equal to cot 60. Hence we can say that a plus b together is equal to what? 60 degrees. So cot 60. Repeat, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. So cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. From this I can say that a plus b together is equal to how much? A plus b together is equal to 60 degrees. So it is now understood that a minus b is 30, a plus b is 60. Solving that, you will get the value of a and b. So we know that a minus b is equal to 30 and a plus b equal to 60. So a minus b is 30, a plus b is 60. That is adding up to what, dear? Add up both, that gives you 2a equal to 90 degrees, a equal to 45. Substituting a equal to 45 here, you can get the value of b. So that will give you what, dear? B is equal to, put a equal to 45 here. 45 minus b is 30, so b must be equal to what? 15. What is being asked, dear? 2a minus 3b is what? So 2a minus 3b will be what? 2a minus 3b. Just substitute the values over there. That gives you 2 into, in place of a we have 45. So 2a is nothing but 90 minus 3b. b is 15 degrees. 3b is nothing but what? 45 degrees. So 90 minus 45 gives you how much? 45 degrees. Hence your answer has to be what? Option C. Is that clear? This is another way of giving the questions, dear. Instead of directly giving you the angle, they will give you the value from which you need to relate it to the angle. Then based on that we will be solving the problems. Is that clear? Everyone? 45 Mohan Krishna C. Yes, option C is correct. Right? No doubt here. Can I move on? Yep. Next one, dear. Same as the previous one. Same as the previous one. They just have given the expressions where it is 2a minus b by 2 and 2a minus b by 2 here. So both are sin 2a minus b by 2 equal to cos 2a minus b by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Where 0 degrees is less than 2a plus b by 2 is less than 90 degrees. There is a mistake over here. So here sin 2a minus b by 2 is equal to cos 2a minus b by 2. It is not possible. It will be different here. Right? 2a plus b by 2 you can say. Right. So going ahead with. So here we need the value of 3 into a minus b. Na? Sin 3 into a minus b. Okay. Let us find the value of a minus b first. So here, if you are taking this into consideration, sin 2a minus b by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 means sin 2a minus b by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. That will be equal to root 3 by 2. When will you get? Sin 60. So I can now say that 2a minus b by 2. 2a minus b by 2 is equal to what? 60. Right, dear? Similarly, if you take cos 2a plus b, 2a plus b by 2 must be equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 you will get when it is 30. So 2a plus b by 2 is equal to cos 30. Right? I have taken plus there, no, correction should be here. This is plus, this is minus dear. So here sine 2a plus b by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 in sines it will be sine 60. From this I can say that 2a plus b by 2 is equal to 60. From this I can say that 2a plus b is equal to 120 degrees. Similarly, second, cos 2a minus b by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to cos 30. From this I can say that 2a minus b by 2 must be 30. From this I can say that 2a minus b is equal to what? 60. Right here, from these two I can say that, solving these two equations, I can say that 2a plus b is equal to 120. 2a minus b equal to 60. Solving this we can get 4a equal to 180 degrees. A must be how much? 45 degrees. A must be 45 degrees. If you are substituting a equal to 45 degrees here or here, that will give you the value of b. That b will be equal to how much? 30 degrees. You got a and b. We need what? Sine 3 into a minus b. So a minus b, it will be how much dear? 15. So sine of 3 into a minus b, that is 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. That will be how much dear? This gives you how much? Sine of 45 minus 30 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. So sine 45 degrees I can say. Sine 45 degrees value is how much? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Means which is the option here? It should be option B. Right? Please make a note of it. Please tell me if there is any doubt. Any doubt for anyone? Clear? B, option B you are saying? Yeah, that should be right. Rajshekhar and Mohan Krishna. Both are correct. Just give it a try. Once you start solving it, you will definitely get the answer. Without trying, you cannot get it. Right. Chalo. Next one. This is another interesting one. I have already told you the basic. The value of sin 57 cos 53 plus cos 57 cos 37 sin 53 minus 4 cos square 37 minus 7 plus 4 cos square 53 by tan square 47 plus 4 minus secant square 43. Right? This is what is given here. Right here. Going ahead with. So here, as I already told you, I'll just give you the basic here. So we know that sin 37 cos 53, sin 37 cos 53, that will give you how much? Cos 53 can be written as, sin 37. So that will give you sin square 37 degrees plus cos 37 sin 53. Sin 53 can be written as cos 37. So cos 37 into cos 37 will give you how much? Cos square 37. That got converted into a square like sin square theta plus cos square theta. Minus. Right here. Going ahead with. This gives you how much dear? Here 4 cos square 37 minus 7 plus 4 cos square 53. Right? So take 4 out. That will give you cos square 37 plus cos square 53 cos square 53 minus 4 by whatever it may be, you need not even look at this. Why, sir? Because 4 into cos square x plus cos square y is equal to 1 provided x plus y equal to 90 degrees I have already taught. If so, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 will give you what? 0. 0 by anything will give you what? 0. Hence, it will come out to be 1. This will be what? 0 by anything. That will give you 0 only. That's why that will be finally giving you the answer as what? 1. So here, without I touching this one, still I could manage it straight away, because this is going to give me cos square x when x plus y equal to 90 degrees. I already told you dear. When x plus y together is equal to 90 degrees, sin square x plus sin square y equal to 1 I told you, as well as cos square x plus cos square y equal to 1 also I told you. So both are equal to 1. So both of these are equal to 1 only. So this one as well as this one, both of them will be equal to what? 1 only. Right? So based on that, I just could substitute 1 over here. Substituting 1 over there, that gives me 4 into 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by anything will give me 0 only. So I did not even simplify this denominator. So that's why 1 minus 0 by anything will be 0. So that will give you the answer as 1. Right? Means your answer has to be option C. Right? So these are the basic models that have appeared in SSC CGL Tier 1 in the previous examination. So ensure that you are practicing these thoroughly along with the rules that I have given, so that it becomes easy for you to crack the questions in the examinations. In the next session, we will meet with another topic. Thank you and good night.